Good morning, traders. How we doing, guys? Starting up, guys. Just made a little gain on TPIV.
YouTube as well, so go check out Mitch. There's the link in the description. And yeah, guys, everybody have a good day. I will see you guys on Monday. I may put a video out this weekend. I'm not quite sure.
All right, guys, coming back here. Looking at GLND, and also TPIV there. Was watching it for a little while there, found the trade, looked for the pattern, bought there on that pullback, and was able to go ahead and get that nice daily gain. What I would want to see is another fail above these. Let's see another fail, because I think there's a big shorter up here in the 10, a hidden seller. You got that one up, one down, two up, two down. I'm expecting a third up and then a down, and then we're going to see if it's going to rip above here. All right, guys, all right. What's going on? What's going on? How we doing, Baron? Mic check, guys. How we doing? How's that hearing, guys? Take a look around. CLPS, man. CLPS on that first drop down below 11, when it came down to those 10-13s on that pop up there in the 11s, should have looked to go ahead and short there, but was way too much in the spot where it could reverse there. Expecting this last little swing here in TPIV. You know, the only reason I'm not really trying to long this again towards this high right here is the reason why is the spread. The spread is a little bit wide, and so it's holding there at the bottom of the spread and then gives you the ask at the top. The only way I got in this is because I got in here on this pullback here on 1080. I was looking to get in by the 9 EMA, and as it came down, I got filled there at 980, was risking off of 66, and then it bounced there, gave me that ability to come back up, and when it came back up there, I looked to sell there at 10, wasn't able to get my order filled. Don't know why. It was just out there, and it went up there to 10.05, just wasn't getting filled. So I went and I hit the bid. Sometimes you got to realize that you're not getting filled on the ask, so you got to go ahead and slam the bid and get your profits off the table. All right, seeing GLMD there bounce a little bit there to 54s. All right, seeing for this to bounce just a little bit more. Would like it to bounce a little bit more there, and then we can really start fading away. CLPS, man, that's down there, man. That's down there. Look at that, cracking that 9 there, guys. Whew. Such potential on this stock today, guys. We have to learn how to play these, you guys. There was a trend line right here. Alright, we got that one up move. You get a one down, a second rip, a second down, a third up, a third down, and when it comes down here, it was supposed to make that breakout right there, but instead created that resistance right here and then knocked it back down. What we could expect is a little bounce here. We got a down one, down two, up two, down three. I wouldn't short down here. It's just way too much support here off this last little attempt here, and can bounce up here all the way to 961. This stock does have a lot of volume. VXXX, guys, is going off. That's a volatility reader from the market. You know, some people like to trade this. If you would, I would long there at 32.20 off of 32. Could risk 20 cents to potentially make, you know, 40, 60 cents there. Looking for plays, guys. Yo, Chan, how'd you go balls deep into life? I want to hear this one. There's only a couple ways I know how to go balls deep, guys. Hey, well, welcome, Joe. Welcome, man. Welcome to the channel, guy. You could also add beginning trader also to watch some videos so you can learn. Start joining us every day. This was the short that I should have gone short. HJLI. I wanted to short there up here, but didn't take that shot. All right, we got TPIV there. It made that one up, one down, two down, three up, three down, holding there, and it's on the rip now. Let's see if it gets above the high, which is 10.11. That would be the breakout. If not, this looks like it could just come crashing down. AKTX going off there. Alright, guys, seeing this hold right here, have a feeling it's gonna fail. You see the volume has died down. For it to get above here, that volume's gonna need to get big there. Here it goes. There you go. We got the break. Now it's gonna pull back here. If you wanted to long it, I would suggest you longing it somewhere by 10.06 to $10 range. Somewhere between there. You need the pullback here if you want to go long. We did see a little bit more volume get in there. It did see 1,200 and 1,300 shares up there at 10.12 and 10.14. The ask is 10.20 by 10.12 there. Something's going on with that AKTX, guys. I wouldn't trade that. There's just way too many shares in there, way too volatile. We're seeing TPIV there hold its gains there, I wish I would have stayed on this, as we did get the 3 up, 3 down. You could have taken a long there at 990, trying to get that attempt back to the resistance. Now what I would need it to pull back here at 1009, and then at 1009 I could take another swing trying to get it right back up. Alright, there's that pullback there to that 9 EMA there. The 9 EMA, you could look for an entrance there at 1008 or 1010. I don't have too much confidence in this stock. Just keep running. That's why I haven't gotten in there again. This extension here. See, there's the 9 EMA touch, guys. The 9 EMA touch is right there at 1010. There's VKTX there. VKTX there, touching the resistance, bouncing off the support there, and getting above the highs there now at 1182. Alright, seeing this hold here. Sogo also going off on my radar. Sogo's up there, guys. Almost there to 15 now. What a day for this stock. Alright, got a doji up there. Doji up there. Alright, when this swings up, I want to see it not go higher than 84s. On Sogo, I don't want to see it go higher than 84s on Sogo. I'm also still watching TPIV there. It's just been holding there. No volume there, no volume. Alright, Sogo looking better. Would like a little swing back up there. Already missed it on Sogo. We do have a strong trend line though. Strong trend line off of 460. There's a bounce for TPIV. Up there now to 28 by 20. You talking about here? Yeah, I can take a look at here. Let me see that. Actually, nice pattern, guys. That was a nice pattern early in the day. Wish I would have been watching it. It's exactly my pattern there at 10 to 10:21. Baron, if you look at that pattern right there from 10 to 10:21, that's my pattern right there. That's the pattern I like to trade. Get this move down, and then you could add up here. So you've gotten that one down, one up, two down, two up, three down, three up here. You didn't want it to go above 2178, but below that can come right back down to this 43 and break down. I like the risk to reward ratio there. The only thing that is a little bit bothersome is that it's been holding lower and lower highs. Right here it seemed nice. There's TPIV there, touching the highs there at 1028, 1030. Really no volume up here though. Alright, Soho, a little bit of a bounce there to 77s. Alright, should break out here above 80s on Sogo. Alright, there's TPIV there breaking down there. Looking to get short there, 1010. I need a bounce. Would need a bounce there. NDRA. Canceling that order there. NDRA there. Looks like maybe a short there, but not really my stock there. All right. Seeing BKTX there. Looks like it wants to break out above 12s there. Would need 90s. Sogo pushing up there to the highs already. That's definitely still not short yet. BKTX there. Looks like it's gonna break 12s. Up 1, up 2, down 2, up 3, down 3, explode. The risk right now would be 90 off of 82 for a long. There's the long there. See a little quick pullback here to 9 EMA, 92. See 94 there. here looking good there. Just low volume. But looked good there at 74 to 76. All right, there's some good hold there in the 12s. Great ads there. All right, there's the 95s by 94. This is where we have to take our shot. All right, guys, gonna take a shot here. Looking probably to go long here if it holds right here. Yeah, that's a good hold there. The only thing is the share size. I wanted the share size to increase as it was coming down. All right. Seeing TPIV there, up there, back at the highs there. There's the 12s touching right now for VKTX. Here looking beautiful. Was thinking about getting in there and here. Tried to get short there at 21.58. No fill. Seeing this hold those 12s, man. Should have got in there on that pullback here. Just didn't take the shot. VKTX has, you know, had some losses. Yeah, you can only see one screen. I could put multiple screens there, but the only problem with multiple screens, guys, is that the setup for me just becomes a little bit weird. I'm kind of used to the only paying attention to one stock, but what I can do, guys, is if I do take a trade, you guys will see me change to it. I always call out the stock that I am trying to trade. Some good ads there, 1208, 1210 there. All right. Seeing TPIV there. Five-minute chart still holding. right there. 1205s, 5,000 shares. 1202, 5,000 shares. 1203, 5,000 shares. So VKTX definitely is getting that volume that we need to see for a continuation. But the 5-minute has it a little bit extended. Has it coming back down to about 1195 for the resistance. And then the 90 EMA is at 1188. So I'd be a little suspicious about this one. Don't really want to long it here. Missed my opportunity there at 93. Alright, swinging there. Some more ads there at 1205. There you go, breaking down there. I could go short here for a little quick scalp trade down to 88, but it's really not my strategy. So I'm trying to stick to my strategy today, guys. Trying to end the day green, trying to be positive and get our account back, you know. Sogo going up there to 1490. CLPS definitely, I mean, look at this, guys. Flag, flag, flagging right now. Looking like it can crash some more. But when's the bounce on this, guys? So I don't like shorting here because of the bounces. This is where you would want to get it in the 70 range. Probably 68, 70. Alright, seeing these 10-18s tap up here. Up 1, down 1, up 2, down 2, up 3. So you're going to hang around here for a little bit longer here. TPIV. VKTX there, bouncing off the 88 there. We're at the risk 10 cents here, but thinking about going long there on VKTX. I like that volume built up. Seeing a little bit of a pullback there on VKTX there. Thought it was going to bounce there off of 88, 87s. It looks like it's holding there, but just didn't get the volume that I wanted to see. I wanted to see some ads there on the pullback. We did see Soho break through that 15s there and get up there to 15.23 with a good long there over 15 there, that 15 break. Definitely a stock that I missed today. You guys, Soho has just been going up. Yeah, VKTX definitely not doing what I wanted it to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and let that go. It's not doing what we wanted to do. We're going to let it go, man. Let's see this up 3 here. There you go, breaking out there. TPIV there, guys, breaking out there. Up there to 1040s now. Alright, gonna look to the long here in the 30s as TPIV has been holding for a good amount of time here. Putting out an order there for 1030. Would want this to snap back down there and just fill me here. Alright, have that order out there for 1030s. Seen some good shares go through there at 1020 and 1021. There's a micro pullback there to 35s. Still liking the 30 range for the long. Don't want to just go ahead here and then get in here at 44 and then watch it come back down to 1030, my number. I'm risking off of 20. Hey, beginner, that's what I like to see, guy. Oh, look at that crash down there on CLPS there. Ooh. Good Lord, we missed that one today. 50-cent crash there, guys. We gotta sometimes take that risk, you guys. That's a trade that you can take a risk. You have your defined risk point right there. Defined, you know that your out is gonna be in the 80s above that. You can risk 20 cents to make 50 cents there, guys. That's what I want to see, beginner. It's all about the cent trades, man. It's all about the cent trade. It's not about what you get in dollar range. It's about what you got in the cents. That's what I want to know, and that's what I see right there. 50 cents with only 25 shares. So what? You didn't want the emotional factor of getting high shares. You still got 50 cents there. Made a little gain, and what it really does is that it boosts your confidence. It makes you really ready to go ahead and take that next opportunity. One thing that I will let you know though is if you do see the opportunity like this and you have gained a little bit, the real key is to have like an early gain here in the early part of the day, if you're green and you have a little cushion, this is the stock you want to go ahead and take your shot. You go a little bit higher sizing and you build it. So if you got short there on any of these green candles at like 11:10 in the 68, as it broke that eight, as it broke the 850s, you can go ahead and add there, looking for it to crack down to about 825s, and you could already start covering as it came down to $8 there. Been holding here at 1030, trying to get in here on TPIV, but it's not coming back, guys. It just keeps holding, and it's too long for me to just have that order out there. I definitely feel like it could come back there, but it's definitely holding above there. We got an add of 7,039 shares there at 1038. So got to be careful with this one. Don't want to push too hard on that. In a bounce there on VKTX there. All right. I like the trade, beginner, man. That was a good trade, man. Good job. Way to end the day. Way to concentrate on the stock that you wanted, and you nailed it. That's what you said beginning of the day. You were going to get that trade on CLPS. And definitely a trade that we could have been watching, guys. I think in the end, when we do get the top gapper and we are able to trade it on Tradenet, I'm definitely going to focus a little bit more on it, just in case that we get this move like this. This was a great move to both sides. It did a nice pullback right before the open, shooting out, and then giving you a nice little gain there that you could have got off of the 11 there, breaking out to the resistance again and breaking out, and then failing down there. Once it failed there, you see that first bounce. As it comes back down, you can go ahead and short off of that bounce right there. I like to get short below the VWAP, so once it fully broke the VWAP and came back down and it bounced, that's when I want to go ahead and get short. Yeah, trust me, beginner. I know how the misses are right now. I've had way too many misses right now. You see VKTX there back to the 12 range. I thought it could make that little move there. I was thinking maybe about getting long there at 1192. We wanted to see it hold those 87s, and it held those 87s pretty well. Alright, just watching the 5-minute on VKTX. Alright, Soho getting weak there. Finally starting to weaken down. Below 1479 is when I'm really gonna look for shorts on Sogo. This TPIV, I think it's gonna rip due to this ad here at 1038, 7,000 shares. But the only problem is that I don't feel like pushing too hard there. It's just I don't want to see a giant fail here. The rip could be a little bit big. It could be like 20-cent pop. The high for the daily is 1091 and we're at 1038. We could make a rip up to there. So definitely there's still a little potential on the daily. Definitely inspect the pullback here though. There's Soho getting below. Alright, 1498, somewhere in that range. We're looking at Sogo. There's VKTX there holding those 12s. A lot of long 5-minute trend lines I'm seeing, guys. But you can just draw that the stock's been going linear and we need that to break so that we can really start looking for this. 85, 86s, looking for a little pop here. Maybe 83s. Need a nice strong bounce here. Looking for 81. Putting out that order at 81. No fill there. All right. Trying to get filled here on a bounce. Thinking about shorting here 100 shares of TPIV at 1030 or 1028. We need a bounce here. I'm still looking for a bounce on Sogo to 81s. Don't want to short down here in 61 range. I'm liking that 81. Didn't get that bounce up there. Might just get this crack down. That's what happens, and so be it, guys. We need to be trading patterns and not just trading price action. Yeah, definitely, Joe. Take care, man. Thank you for joining me. And like Beginner says, go ahead and join him in the beginning part of the trading day and then switch on over, guys. We're trying to show you guys two traders build to consistency. It's exactly what we're trying to do, guys. And we're going to be working at it as hard as we can because this is exactly what we want to do for the rest of our lives. This is the career move here. All right, seeing this tap up to 28s there, 30s. TPIV there, right back up to the highs pretty much there. Don't want to short here at the top. Definitely not my strategy. Just got to keep an eye on this. It does have some good risk to reward, but it does have breakout potential, and that's why I'm not going to be short in this. There's TPIV all the way back up to 1040s there. Seen that hard rejection there, man. I think there's a hidden seller up there, guys. Definitely feel like there's some hidden seller up here. So go, man. Never bouncing. Good opportunity, just didn't bounce there. Didn't do my whole pattern there. I was thinking about shorting there if it bounced to 67, but no bounces, guys. Just straight flushes. Definitely disappointed I didn't take advantage of that opportunity. There's definitely a chance there. CFRX. Not really my kind of stock there. TPIV there. Definitely keeping a close eye on this one. Seeing BKTX there. Hold those 12s. My biggest concern is just the no volume. Sogo just crashing down there, man. Definitely a great opportunity there. Missed, man. A little disappointed there. I missed on Sogo. I was watching it for a real long time today. just need a little bounce here. Little bounce on TPIV there. Can we get it? Not getting the bounce, guys. Tried to get short there at 20s, but no fills. Born at 10.19 there, but no fill there. Was expecting that bounce right here. Didn't get it. Should have took my shot there. A little bounce there to 10.11s. Finally got a little volume there. I think this might break out here. Got a 1208 ad there, 4,700. The high is 1211 there. Down 2, up 3, down 3. The risk right now would be off of 11.99 for it to break out above 12.10s, 12.11s. There's the breakout, guys. Gonna look to long at 12.10 off this right here, 12.10, 12.11. Let's see the ads there. Alright, putting out an order at 12.09. My out would be 12.03. Damn, man, that shit went right to my number and just didn't fill me. Would have been nice to get filled there already. Yeah, I would have liked to have gotten filled there, but no fill. Some ads there at 12.12, 12.9. What I hate is the volume in this stock. The volume is not really a breakout volume. Alright, don't want to see this get above 1020. If it stays below 1020, we can go ahead and still look for a short on the stock. TPIV. There's the 20s. We don't want to see this above 20s. Above 20s will mean it's holding. seeing this 10-10 there. Alright guys, we get this down 1, up 1, down 2, up 2, down 3. Breakout on VKTX. Looking to get it at 26. Off of 19. I would like it to come back and fill me. I don't want to just go ahead and add there on BKTX there at 1239s. Looking like it's going to push through the 1250s, but want a long there at 26 so I can risk off of 19. Seeing confirmation there though. The bounce on the 5 minute for Soho was pretty nice. There you go, we got that breakout of 50s. I liked it over here. Almost got longed it a while back there. The 5 minute, finally the volume coming in there. It looked so good there, but the volume never really showed up there. Now it's finally showing up. Just too high up there to just long there at 50. As much as I want to grab it, it can just slink on down there. Down 3, up 3. Should crack down here underneath 10s and then get down. There's the bounce on the 9 EMA for the BKTX move. paying attention here to TPIV. I feel like VKTX there. It's bouncing off the 9. If you wanted to long it, you would long it right now off of 33. And it pulled back and looks like it's dying out there. It looks like it's gonna pull back to 17s. Alright guys. About shorting here TPIV, the risk would be off of 20, 10-cent risk for a 15-cent gain. We'd have to short 100 shares there. Don't want to feel like shorting 200 shares there. Alright. Don't like how that candle closed there. It could definitely just swing back around right now. Hey, stop with them. Stop with that. Stop with that. I'm gonna take you out right now. My dog wants to go out, guys. And I'm trying to nail one more trade. Seeing that bounce there. But I see it come down there to 10.06. I hope you guys could hear my dog. He is crying today. Stop with that, bro. Stop with that. No crying. I do not like that, buddy. Hey. Stop. You never do this. Stop. give me a couple more minutes, buddy. There's VKTX there breaking out again above 1240s. Triple top there in the 57s. There's that little move back up. Would have the long off of 22. Should have got long it when it broke here. I was thinking about getting long it as it broke the pattern. Broke pattern long there. Would have took 21s, 23 with a risk off of 10, 12 for it to come back to the highs. And it was a good 20 cent, 30 cent risk. Back up there to the highs, man. Same thing with VKTX there. Pulled back there to 1238 and shot up through there to the 1250s. This looks like it's gonna lift off and take off there. At 1265, 41,000 shares there. GameStop. GameStop went off at 11:55 there. Pulled back all the way down. Would have to risk 50 shares here. Off of 30. I think this could come back up here. Look at this pullback on the 5-minute. Great potential there. Have to risk about 30 cents there, so need to do 50 shares there. But potential to make that dollar. Right there would be the buy. Saw a little bit of shares go through there. 3,900, 2,700. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and come back, guys. Alright guys, just like that I'm back. I like that strong resistance support there on 30. Why is the stock moving? That's what we need to find out. She's just not over me. She's just not over me. Like she fell in love. I'll be there. Hey, hey, hey. Don't be leaving your pee pee. Give me a pee pee. Come here. What's up, boys? Laying around? Ain't good boys? Ain't good boys? Huh? Hey, can we behave? Hey, baby.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, sweetie. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Just believe it or not, still trading, and Marley is being impatient. He definitely wants me to stop. I think I'm gonna stop.
Does he need to go out?
I already took him out. I'm gonna take him out again. He wants his long walk. We got his short walk.
He loves it.
Look at him. He's there attacking my little toes right now. He's like, nigga, you've been trading for fucking ever.
No, you're busy, my puppy.
No, he's just chilling. He's crying a little bitch. I already know what he's doing to me. I hate crying little bitch.
I know he's.
I don't want to learn that shit. That's because
Yeah,
that's
okay.
the
I'll take him around.
that's the dog next door.
Mm-hmm.
Literally teaches him bad
Remember
manners.
when he didn't bark?
Mhm. Don't be touching me. Just 'cause I put it in your belly. How's your
So
day
what do you
going?
think?
How's your day going, man?
Pretty good. I'm just chilling, honestly. I haven't been to talk to you or anything like that. I've been sleepy.
That's good, sweetie. Good to hear.
How's trading going, guys?
Well, for right now, I'm green.
There you go.
Yeah,
Like that guy.
two trades. First trade, I went red. It was a little annoying. And then a couple misses that really got me annoyed. Like I hit the order form, and my order was off by like 1 cent 2 times, and those would have been beautiful trades. It literally didn't fill me by 1 cent. It's like fuck.
Wow.
And then the worst part is that it doesn't fill you, it doesn't fill me, and then all of a sudden it just slams down, which is what I wanted it to do, and I'm just like fuck. Now I can't even touch it. Now I can't even touch it because if I touch it there, I'm just gonna lose money there. It's chasing, and that's like the whole psychology part of it. If you didn't get it, you have to learn to let it go.
It's like a relationship.
Yep.
Baby,
Uh huh.
so I sent you an to
Ow.
Facebook when you get a chance. Please take a look at it. It is a property in Denver, but the thing is, it's a hospital.
Okay.
So it's about 300, like 350 bucks. It's literally it's just a private room with a private bathroom, but it's a hospital. Pretty basic. It's in downtown though. So
Okay.
I don't know. I just sent it to you. Like take a look at it. Tell me what you think about it.
Okay.
I'm just looking at options. That's all.
We can do that. Oh, I got Marley's spot. That leg is kicking. That shit just waving around like a fucking circle.
No.
That's his spot right there.
And then you complain that he's too much of a ñoño.
He is a little ñoño.
Tú eres una ñoña.
Porque es ñoño.
Tú eres una ñoña.
I support my ñoño. So did Argentina ever score? Or it was Uruguay, I think. Uruguay.
It was Uruguay. They scored at last minute.
Oh, they scored. They
Last
finally
minute
scored.
goal.
Last minute.
I think it was probably like I didn't see when they scored. I was at lunch when they scored. So I think it had to be in the last like 15, like in the last 30 to 50 minutes. That's when they did it.
That's how it is. Iran and Morocco are playing now. They still haven't scored. I'm waiting for that 2 p.m. game. That game's gonna be really good.
That's
Portugal,
the one I want to see.
Portugal and Spain.
Yeah, I was actually gonna go pick up a pizza at Mellow Mushrooms so that same one.
Huh? If you want, I can look up for delivery or whatever. So that way you don't have to go get it.
I mean, they're 25 minutes from the house. I don't mind. Like, if I'm already on my way, I don't mind. But if I have to like get go out of my way, that's
Mhm.
different. But if you want to check it out, go ahead.
Don't worry. We have some fun games tomorrow, anyways.
What
France,
game's there tomorrow?
France and Australia. Sunday, Germany versus Mexico
Nice.
at 11
Oh,
a.m.
interesting.
And then at 2 p.m., Brazil versus Switzerland, which is also a key game.
The thing is that the one that, yeah, I like Brazil. The thing is tomorrow is really early. Like, I don't know, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning.
I'll be up to watch it, but if anything, I'll be up like at 6:30 or 7. I'll just watch it like delayed. But baby, why'd you pay for Hulu? We can watch all the games
I
on
didn't
Fox.
pay for it. I
Oh, I'm
didn't
about to
pay for
say.
it, baby. I made a new, no, I made a new account.
And what? You got a free like trial or something?
Yeah, I made a new account. Because the thing is that with my account, and I talked about it, well, we cannot add the Hulu TV because since I have that combo deal with Spotify,
Yeah.
I technically I pay Spotify. Hulu is
Stop
the one
biting me.
billing me, so because of that,
Stop.
they don't allow me.
But hey, at least you got it. But we can see all the games on Fox Sports anyways.
No, then sure. I mean, it's there in case you want to watch something else like an HBO, like
Yeah.
right now I'm just gonna watch soccer.
Of course. Marley's pissing me off and inviting me. Fuck him up. Mhm. Mhm. Cool. Whoa, did you see that? That Russian lawmakers warned no sex with foreigners during World Cup.
Holy crap, I didn't know that.
They literally told their citizens not to have sex with different people from different countries, and that
That's cute.
if they do, they're gonna go to jail.
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
Yep. A senior
I
Russian
was thinking about,
lawmaker is overseeing family-related issues and has some advice.
I mean, I understand ethnicity, but they take advantage of this guy in China tourists.
back, guys. I'm back. I'm back like a track. Alright. Alright, guys. Looking like I'm going to stop the stream right here. We've been streaming for 2 hours now. Definitely looking at this TPIV. TPIV. Also seeing VKTX there curl a little bit up there. Definitely missed out on that 12 buy. Should have looked to buy that 12. Seeing a little bit of a spike there up to 56 there. From 48. There's my dog getting mad at me, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I'll probably be back here in the afternoon. I'm thinking about maybe coming back, seeing what's going to happen with TPIV. Well, what I will tell you is, guys, is we did end green, at least for the day. Ended green for the day. That's what I wanted to see. And at the end of the day, we're just going to swing on back and try to get back into the green. Ending red for the week. Pretty good, decent amount. Probably around $60, $70. So definitely don't want to go ahead and continue with that. Last week we got up to $62 profit. Just going to battle through, guys. It's not always going to be perfect, but just got to battle through. All right, guys, that's going to be all for today. I'll let you guys know if I get back here at lunchtime. If I do come back, it will be at 1:30 for the 2 p.m. breaks.